Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to learn how to design end wall grids in MkaPHP. Let's get started. Let's open Portal Frame Model. File menu, Open Project, and I select Portal Frame. Our model is loaded. To make design the end wall grids, you need to click Secondary Members tab, and you need to click Shield Grids. It's equal to end wall grids. I click it. This menu is very similar to site wall grids. So, first of all, you need to select the reference axis. In our model, we have two reference axes. One is axis 1 and the second one is axis 9. So, you can select axis 1 or axis 9. Or you can change all with one click. Select the section, select the bar type, and select the beam type, as we learned before. Or you can change it by axis. Of course, you can use cold forms sections here. Let's change a cold forms section. Let's assign the grade and click OK. Program will make automatically design and show the results for you. See you next lesson.